Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make someone to admin on Instagram group chat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. If you create a group chat on Instagram, you are automatically the admin of the group chat. You can become an admin of a group you didn't create if a current admin of the group promotes you to admin. And if you are an admin of a group chat, you can approve who joins your group. You can promote other members to admins. You can demote other admin to members and add members to your group, remove member from your group, and create an invite link for people to join to your group. So now I will show you how to promote someone to become an admin to your group chat. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on the upper right corner on the DMs, on your DMs. You can tap on the group chat that you want to promote someone to become the admin. Now you can tap on the name of the group here. You can tap on members here. Now you can choose account or member that you want to promote. As example, I will choose this account. You can tap on the three dots here. You'll see there is an option like remove users, make admin, restrict, block, and report chat. You can tap on make admin. So that account become an admin to your group chat. So simple, right? So this account have also can approve who join your group, like demote other admin, add member, and remove member from this group. So that is how to promote other member to admins on Instagram group chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.